Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp download failed unable to complete. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. If you are experiencing a WhatsApp download failed unable to complete error, there are several things you can try to fix that issue. So for example, first of all, you have to check your internet connection. You have to stable internet connection and try again. To fix the internet issue, here are the some tips. Turn on the airplane mode, then turn off it, then turn on again, and switch between the Wi-Fi and the mobile app data. And this is something you can fix your issue. And also guys, check the date and time. Ensure that the date and time on your device are correct. So at number third, update WhatsApp. If you are using the old version of the WhatsApp, update it to the latest version. Just simply go to your app store, Play Store app, and then you can search for the WhatsApp. Here you can see open. I have open option because I have recently uploaded my WhatsApp. But if you haven't uploaded your WhatsApp, you can update your WhatsApp from there. Also guys, you can clear cache and the data of the WhatsApp app. And to clear the cache, you can go to your settings and then go to apps, then manage apps, and then search here for the WhatsApp, and here it is. So from there you can see storage, and just tap right here on the clear data and all data will be removed. Also guys, you can check media permission. If WhatsApp has permission to access media on your device, you can see WhatsApp app permissions, and you can see camera. So if you have turned on this feature don't allow, so you can have to tap on the allow only while using this app, because don't allow mean that camera will not be accessible to your device, to your WhatsApp also. Also guys, you can quit the beta version. If you are using the beta version of the WhatsApp, switch to the stable versions. So these are some of the solution. If none of these solutions works, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.